Sit up. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Yes. Try again. Good girl. Kibble fell on the floor, so she was trying to get it. Ah! She got it anyway. I usually like to leave the drop ones for the end, so this way she has like this jackpot treat at the end. Have a seat. Come closer. Stay. Wait. Turn off the light. Oops. Thank you. I dropped it because it slipped out of my hands. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Come sit. So it's a good thing. It's nice that she knows to go get it for me. Whatever I drop. Wait. We're going to put those in there so you can pay attention. Yes. Good girl. Stay sitting. Good job. Good, gentle. Sit up so you can do it. Yeah. Yes. Good job. It's a light. I don't know if I showed you at first. So, just getting her used to the idea of how the switch goes up and down to turn on and off. Right now, I'm not telling her what it is yet. Yeah, you can use your mouth. You can use your mouth too. She was touching it with her tooth and checking with me. You can use your mouth. Yeah, you can use your mouth. You rather use your paw? Okay. Good girl. Have a seat. Just sit closer. Nope. Just sit up. Good girl. Right there. Right there is good. Not that close. Okay, let me move back. Okay, you turned it off. Okay. Turn it off. Good girl. Yes. She's getting the idea. And that's the idea. Later on, we'll exercise it where I'll direct her how to do it properly. Sit up. Use your paw. Gentle. Gentle. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Gentle. Very soft. Be gentle. Okay? That's better. Because you'll knock it out of my hands. And your paws hurt too. Okay? Be gentle. They hurt. Yeah. Okay. You have heavy paws. We're going to have to work on that. But can't do too many things at once. But she's doing good. Okay. So this is kind of hard too. It's a hard switch. It's a hard... So that could be the problem here. She's grabbing the phone. The phone has a magnet cover. And the back of the phone has the magnet cover, so I stick it on the fridge or on my retro oven, anywhere metal. And so I had it low enough so she can be seen, and we can be seen together on my refrigerator, just like that. Want to try one more time? Okay, wait. You gotta do it soft, gentle, gentle. Okay. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Yes, beautiful. That was much gentle. Nice and gentle, soft. Soft, okay? Nice and soft. Gentle, okay? Because you don't want to hurt mommy. Oh, that's even softer. Ooh, good girl. You're almost done with these little treats. These were her kibble. So that's why I can't give her too much food in the morning and the night, because throughout the whole day we're doing this, even in the nighttime, because she's like she needs to keep her mind stimulated. She's always want to do something, so it's like I have to take advantage of every moment with her, because she's very alert and very in tune to me, and also she's wanting to do stuff. She'll show me. She'll go like jump on her mat and sit up straight, like I'm ready for a lesson, type of thing. Gentle. Yeah. Practice gentle. Practice gentle. Yeah. You can use your teeth if you want. Yeah. You can use your teeth to move it. Good girl. You're doing so good. I love you. Come here. Come here. I love you. Okay. Toodles poodles. Thank you for joining in Sushi Diaries. Sushi, want to turn on off the phone? Oh, she grabbed it. Well, she just grabbed it and gave it to me. I'm trying to turn it off. The screen looks like blurry.